What's going on, family? Welcome to episode 3, Market Sundays Gold Edition. We back at it, y'all, where we go over gold's previous price action and look at some possible setups for the upcoming week. Now, as y'all know, I wasn't able to get on last Sunday to go over the market. I wasn't able to put updates up throughout the week of the small moves that gold was making, but we are back at it. We're going to dive in and see what gold has been doing. And I'm going to go ahead and go over last Sunday's moves as well. Since I wasn't able to do it, we'll knock out 2. So last Sunday, and we're going to go over this Sunday's moves of what we're looking at for the upcoming week. Okay, so y'all remember right here, this is where we was at when I got my last Market Sunday video. So let's zoom in so y'all can get a better view. Okay, so y'all remember, this is the very first Market Sunday right here where we were stuck in this price trap. And I was telling y'all that it was gonna break it eventually, but we didn't know if it was gonna go back down and break that major support, which it did come down to the major support. But you see, it ended up coming back into the price trap, and then eventually it broke into it when it hit that what was a major support, a major resistance, excuse me. It broke through it, turned it to support, and then we had a minor resistance right here. Okay, but it also broke through that, and then it was just straight buys until we found another resistance. And now you remember I was telling y'all right here, it was a double top. And that yellow line is the neckline. Excuse me, y'all. And I was saying that if we had confirmation, if it broke that neckline, it was going to come back down to that support. But as y'all can see, we did not break that neckline at all. There's no closed candles below the neckline. Instead, we broke through the resistance. Okay? So if you don't, you got to have confirmation. You got to have confluence. If it's not lining up, do not get into the trade. Do not get into the trade. You will lose your money. We broke through. All right. We made a higher high. We made a higher high. So we was looking for sales. And guess what? And I was telling y'all on this one that it had to fill that gap because it was a gap. So let me show y'all real quick. You know, we came back to that support. And this was a minor resistance. You see, it finally broke through. And then we were stuck right here for a while. This is why you have to be patient. Be patient, y'all. It hit that support. We did not break through. So you know you're getting in for a buy. And then boom. And we're stuck. Be patient. Okay, and then finally, y'all, look. We broke through that thing. And then this right here, this is what you call a fake out. You see that sale, that long red wick. This is where a lot of traders get in for a sale. And this is where they mess up at. That's why you have to be patient. You have to have all your confirmations because it ended up breaking through that resistance and creating another higher high. So this is what we're looking at this Sunday. We'll go to a higher time frame so y'all can get a better view. Gold has been making higher highs and higher lows. This is your higher high. This is your higher low. So now look, we have a new higher high. Now what y'all think was going to happen? We need to make a higher low. It has to fill that gap. There's imbalance, so we have to fill that. Now it could possibly come down to the yellow bar or down to this support down here, and then we're going to go up for more buys if we don't break that higher low. Now, if we break that higher low, you can start looking for sales. Let me go down to the one. Let's see. No, let's just pull that fib out. Let me show y'all. So you want to put the fib on your first impulsive candle. And let's drag it across. Now, y'all remember when I said that it was going to come back. Let's see. Hold on. It came down. Look. It came down to that 61.8. It was wicking at that 61.8, and it eventually came down to that 78.6. Now, we did not break that support at all. We hit that golden area. Once you hit that golden area, get ready to be prepared for a buy. And it hit that first TP. Now we're looking at that second TP. Now, for it to come down, we need to come back down. See. Let's see. Let's put it on this new move that it made so I can show y'all what we're looking at for this coming week. Okay. I see it coming back down to either the 61.8 or the 78.6. Either way, by it coming down to both of those, it's not breaking our higher low. It's not breaking that area. And we'll be ready for another push up. Hitting at TP1 and at TP2. So man, y'all, you gotta stay patient, keep at it. Don't rush. Learn these charts. Get your mind right. All about mindset. Look at it. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for the upcoming week. Y'all stay at it. Don't give up. Stay disciplined. Get your mind right. It's all about mindset, okay? Every day, I started doing this like maybe like 4 to 6 months ago. Every day, I have an alarm set on my phone. And at 10 a.m., I have to say, I am a profitable trader every single day. It's all about mindset. You'll start, you say that every day, you'll start believing it. Start believing it. Also, I have an alarm set on my phone for 9:30 a.m. every day when the market's open. When they officially open, it tells me to look for trades. So that's when I start looking for my setups. So y'all, stay at it. Don't give up. Y'all, stay locked in with me. I will be putting up updates throughout the week on the small moves that gold is making, just to help y'all and keep y'all locked in. But yeah, man, that's it, y'all. Don't give up. I'm not gonna say it's easy to learn, but as long as you're locked in and you're studying every day, you gotta treat it like a college course. You can't just tap in here and there. You really gotta be locked in when you're learning something like this. So y'all be blessed. Have a happy Sunday. And we'll see y'all during the week. Thank you. Also, if you're not interested in actually learning this hands-on, you can also invest in my investment group, Dreamers2Profit, and you can earn, while you learn, 10% every quarter. So if you want to put in $50 a month, or it don't even have to be monthly, you can throw in, say you throw in $200 and you just let it sit in there. Every quarter, you'll get back 10% of your money, which is $20. Now, the more you invest, the more you get back, of course, but the compound interest is crazy. So y'all, look into that. Go to Dreamers2Profit.com and start investing with us. You gotta think smart. Work smarter, not harder. Y'all be blessed.
Trust be looking like hieroglyphs. I decipher them quick. Candlesticks dance, man, they never play a trick. Analyzing trends, see the bearish in the bull. Chasing pip dreams, yeah, my pocket's getting full. Dollar yen spike, man, I'm staying on alert. Euro drops low while it feeling like it hurt. MACD cross. crossing, I'm stacking up the clues. Riding on the trends, ain't got nothing to lose. Forex dreams, making money schemes. Candlesticks gleam in my nightly themes. Charts analysis, never miss the beat. Hustling hard, turning risk to me. Fibonacci lines, looking like a staircase. Golden ratio.